please hold my baby. I'll be right back.
Ma'am, It's been like an hour. Where is your mom? It's freezing out here. I don't think your mom's coming back. Hey, Mom.
Honey, whose baby is that?
Don't freak out, but some lady told me to hold her baby and she never came back.
How awful. We better call CPS or something.
No, I want to keep her.
Honey, are you sure you're ready to take care of a baby?
Yeah, you know what? I think I am.
It's not gonna be easy.
I know, Mom. I'm gonna take good care of her.
Look, Mom, I'm winning!
Oh, honey, how fun! Hang on, I think there's someone at the door. I'll be right back.
Alright.
Hi, can I help you?
Hi, yes, actually, I believe you're the one I let hold my child, and I'd like her back.